Hey everyone, Infinix had announced the Hot 7 Pro smartphone in India last week, and the smartphone comes as a successor to the last year's Infinix Hot 6 Pro, which was a decent smartphone for its price back then. So this is the first look at the Infinix Hot 7 Pro smartphone, and let's have a look at it. So the Infinix Hot 7 Pro is the first smartphone in this price segment to feature a 6 gigabits of RAM and 64 gigabytes of internal storage. So here we have the retail unit of the Hot 7 Pro smartphone, and let's quickly unbox it and see what all does it have to offer inside the box. So the first thing inside the box is the Infinix Hot 7 Pro smartphone itself, and this is the midnight black color variant that we have with us. It's a total matte black variant at the back and it feels really good to hold in hand. And the device fits perfectly in hand for single-handed use. Next inside the box we have some user manuals and documentations for the device. We also have a screen protector that's included inside the box. And there's also a hard plastic transparent case for the smartphone, and it's always good to have a first party case included inside the box. Next we have a micro USB cable to charge the device, and there's also standard wall adapter included inside the box. It's a 10-watt adapter and it's rated at 2 amperes and 5 volts, and it's a standard adapter and it's not fast charging certified. Talking about the specifications of the Infinix Hot 7 Pro smartphone, it packs a 6.19-inch notch display and it has a HD plus resolution. The cutout at the top houses earpiece, proximity sensor and dual front-facing camera with 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel sensor for selfies. There's also a dual rear camera setup with 13 megapixel sensor and a 2 megapixel secondary camera as well, and we'll talk more about the camera later in this video. The Infinix Hot 7 Pro is driven by MediaTek Helio P22 processor and it's backed by 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. The device runs on Android 9.0 Pie with XOS 5.0 out of the box, and there's also a 4000 mAh battery to back the device. So the XOS 5.0 might not be the best launcher out there, but it does offer some useful features, such as there's a smart panel that shows direct access to all your quick settings and some most used apps from a pop-up menu that pops in from the right side of the display. So XOS allows you to switch between key navigation and gesture navigation, and you can choose your choice as per your customization. There's also an option to enable or disable the notch display at the top, and there's also a fingerprint sensor at the back of the device. The setup process is quite easy and it's set up in no time, and once it's set up, this is the most secure and the fastest way to unlock this device, and you can also lock some of your apps with the fingerprint sensor as well. So once it's set up, and as you can see, the unlock process is really fast and it unlocks your device in no time. And there's also face unlock on this device, and the setup process is again very easy for the face unlock, but the face unlock is not the most secure form of unlocking a device, but it's convenient and it's good to have this on your device. So talking about the cameras on this device, there are practically 4 cameras on this device, 2 on the rear and 2 on the front. At the rear, it houses a 13 megapixel f1.8 aperture camera with a secondary 2 megapixel camera to capture perfect bokeh shots. The camera is backed by AI technology for bokeh, gender recognition, age, facial expression, and there's also a beauty mode as well. Talking about the front-facing camera, the Infinix Hot 7 Pro features a 13 megapixel f2.0 aperture front-facing primary camera with a secondary 2 megapixel sensor to capture bokeh shots. And there are a lot many shooting modes on this device, such as there's a portrait mode, there's an AR emoji mode, and there's also a beauty mode to enhance your facial features. And apart from all this, there's a front facing soft flash as well to enhance your selfies in low light conditions as well. So the front facing camera seems quite impressive, and we're going to test out more in the detailed review coming soon. So the Infinix Hot 7 Pro comes with a box price of 10,000 Indian rupees. However, as a part of the launch offer, the device can be purchased for an additional 1000 discount, and the price comes down to 9,000 Indian rupees. The handset will only be available via Flipkart in midnight black and aqua blue color variants. So how do you like the Infinix Hot 7 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. This was Akhil from Install or Not, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more such videos like this.